In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WhatsApp Web on desktop, using the latest update. First, let's open a browser on your computer. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. In the address bar at the top, type in web.whatsapp.com and press Enter. This will take you to the official WhatsApp web page. On this page, you'll see a large square with a pattern of black and white dots. That's a QR code, and we're going to scan it using your phone. Now, pick up your phone and open the WhatsApp app. Make sure you're logged in and connected to the internet, either through mobile data or Wi-Fi. On Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select the option that says something like Linked Devices or WhatsApp Web. On iPhone, tap Settings in the bottom right, then tap Linked Devices. The exact wording can change slightly with updates, but you're looking for the menu where you manage devices connected to your account. Once you're there, tap the button that says Link a Device. Your phone will open the camera, ready to scan. If it asks for permission to use the camera, allow it. Now point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Hold it steady for a moment until you see a confirmation on your phone, and then your WhatsApp chats should appear in the browser on your desktop. Give it a second to sync. You'll see all your conversations on the left, and when you click one, the messages appear on the right. From here, you can type messages using your keyboard, send emojis, attach files from your computer, and even view photos and videos in a larger format. This is really handy if you work on a computer a lot and want to reply quickly without picking up your phone every time. Keep in mind that your phone still needs to be connected to the internet for WhatsApp Web to work properly, even though you're using it on your desktop. If messages stop sending, check that your phone has a good connection. When you're finished using WhatsApp Web, it's a good idea to log out, especially if you're on a shared or public computer. On your desktop, click the three dots at the top of the chat list and select Log Out. You can also log out from your phone by going back to Linked Devices, selecting the active session, and choosing to log out there. And that's all you need to start using WhatsApp Web on your desktop with the latest update.